In a bright green forest where tall trees sway, Gifi the giraffe loves to play all day. Her neck so long, reaching high above, watching the sky with kindness and love. One windy day the clouds rolled in, the tall trees shook and danced in the wind. Branches swayed with a cracking sound, leaves and twigs fell to the ground. High on a branch a nest was there, tiny baby birds lived with care. But the storm went whoosh through the tall tree crown, and the little nest came tumbling down. Baby birds chirped, oh dear, who will help us from down here? Gifi the giraffe stretched up high, reaching the branches near the sky. With her tall neck so strong and kind, helping the little bird she would find. Gifi the giraffe, gentle and tall, always helping when friends call. Kind bright eyes and a heart so true, Gifi is a friend to you. The storm grew quiet, the wind grew slow, soft sunlight began to glow. The tiny birds were cold and small, their cozy nest had lost its wall. Gifi walked softly under the tree, thinking of what the nest could be. She gathered twigs and leaves with care, building a home up in the air. Little birds chirped happily, thank you for helping our family. Gifi the giraffe stretched up high, reaching the branches near the sky. With her tall neck so strong and kind, helping the little bird she would find. Gifi the giraffe, gentle and tall, always helping when friends call. Kind bright eyes and a heart so true, Gifi is a friend to you. Up and up her long neck reached, to the branch the storm had breached. Carefully placing the nest once more, safe and warm like it was before. Baby birds chirp with joyful sound, flapping their tiny wings around. Happy again in their leafy home, high in the tree where breezes roam. Gifi the giraffe stretched up high under the golden evening sky, helping the little birds with care, a gentle hero standing there. Gifi the giraffe, brave and kind, the tallest helper you can find. Kindness grows like a forest tree, sharing love for you and me. So when storms come blowing strong, remember Gifi all along, standing tall with a heart so wide, helping friends right by her side.